You're currently balancing on some kitchen utensils, so yeah. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and today I have another video for you guys. Obviously I am here and I am sitting here. I'm in a new location. I am in New York City for the summer. I'm gonna explain a little bit more of that on the next video. I'm gonna do kind of like a chit chat, get ready with me. If you guys are into that, let me know. And I came to the US just in time for the freaking VIB sale from Sephora. I came on May 5th and the sale ended on May 6th. So you know, I came late at night and the next morning I was in Sephora, you know, just getting everything that I needed. So yeah, I've obviously picked some other things up, not just Sephora, because I cannot contain myself and I'm in New York. And I just have a lot of products here for you. And I didn't want to do a haul because I recently did one. So what I wanted to do was like just try the products out for you, get first impressions, and make it super fun. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be trying all the new products that I got. Let me know what you guys picked up from the VIB sale if you picked up anything. Of course, make sure to subscribe, and if you've already done that, let's get this video started. I'm gonna start off with my eyes, but before doing that, I'm just gonna, you know, do a little lip prep. And I bought the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Peach. I freaking love peach, so I saw it in Jamie Page's recommendation video, and you know, just had to buy it. Smells good. Ooh, it tastes so good. Has a bit of a tint to it, but it's not so bad and it feels really nice on the lips. Moving on to the eyes, I got the Kaja Beauty Bento Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio in Orange Blossom. Also, because of Jamie Page, I've heard her talk about this a lot, and last year when these came out, I really wanted to get one, but I couldn't because they're all sold out, and it looks like this. It's so cute. So it comes with like 3 tiers of color. Oh, it comes with a film and I just dropped it. Before actually doing the whole Kaja thing, I just wanted to do a little bit something in my crease. So I'm gonna go into the VIB palette. I depotted it because that packaging is really heavy and I needed to bring it with me to New York because this is just so pretty. So yeah, I depotted this, and let me know if you want a tutorial. But so I'm just gonna be grabbing Freckle right here, and you know, just applying it all over my crease as a transition shade, kind of defining. Really messy, but you know, it's the vibe. And these shadows just have a lot of kickback, but the fallout isn't as bad as you would think. I also have a full review of the palette on my blog, so if you're kind of interested in that, make sure to head on there and check it out. Okay, so now I have the Kaja Beauty Bento thing, and I'm gonna go in with the shade. Okay, so there's no like shade names, only the name of the thing. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with the first shade, which is so pretty. It's kind of like, it's just like a peachy champagne color. It's so pretty. It's very reflective and it looks kind of wet. I dig it. So I'm gonna apply it with my finger onto my lids all over, blending that with the crease that we just applied. These are a little bit loose. They like kind of going all over the place. I really like the effect they give. They're very pretty. And I think wet, they'd be even prettier. Okay, so that Kaja eyeshadow kind of just went everywhere on my face. Literally everywhere. But it looks really pretty. So I'm just gonna let it slide and, you know, whatever. I also got this like Suva Beauty Hydrofix Body Art Acid Trip. This is like a activated, like you activate this with water, and it's kind of like a body paint, but I've seen a lot of people use it as eyeliner, and it's frickin' neon, you people. It's neon. Like, are you seeing this? This is the coolest thing. So you like activate it with water and it becomes a thing, and I'm not sure, should I do a liner with this? I feel like it's gonna be a little bit extra, but I think I should do a liner with this. So I'm just literally gonna go wet this and we'll see what happens. I am a little scared. I'm gonna be grabbing my Sigma winged liner brush and just a little bit of, ooh. So it's obviously, it's like really watery, but the pigmentation is there. So let's see how it applies right now onto my eye. Holy crap, this is so cool. Are you seeing that? Can you see it? And I also think this is like glow in the dark, so they really took it there, huh? Okay, so as of now, I don't know which side looks worse. I really enjoy this product. I love the fact that the only thing you need to do is add water to it. It's super pigmented, it's easy to use, it's very fluid, and a little bit goes a really long way. Like, do you see that? It's neon and it's so pretty. Wow, and once it dries, it does not move. This is great. I hope it comes out easily. For mascara, you guys, I had to do it. I had to do it. Do you know what this is? Do you know what this package is? Doesn't even fit in the frame. Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara. I've been wanting this ever since it came out, but it was kind of sold out everywhere. And how the fuck will I open this? I don't know. I really, honestly, truly do not know. Do I need scissors to get this? Why are people making it so hard for me? I'll be right back again. Okay, so I got it open. You get the product right here. It is so pretty. I find it's kind of luxe, you know? This was $20, which I think is kind of reasonable for mascara in general. I think Pat has a really expensive product, and I'm so glad this wasn't one of them. I've heard really great things about this, and let's go and apply it. This is definitely a drier mascara, and it isn't very voluminizing, it's more lengthening. Okay, so that is the mascara on. I dig it. I really like it. I like the dryer formula. I really like the brush, but it isn't volumizing, okay? It's really lengthening. So if you have naturally like really long lashes like I do, it's gonna look great because it's just gonna make your lashes look longer, but it won't add much volume. If you have very tiny lashes and you wanna add volume, this is not it, my friend. But I really enjoy it. I think it's really nice, and Pat McGrath, you were the bomb. Bomb.com. It is time to move on to the face. Now, I have a few face products that I really want to try. First off is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Ooh, I've heard a lot of people talking great things about this, and I am really stoked to be putting it on my face today. Heard a lot of interesting things, and I cannot wait to just put this on my face. Oh wow. So when you first apply it, it's kind of slick, but as you work it into the skin, it becomes sticky. This reminds me a lot of the J1 Jelly Pack. I'm gonna have to see how this works throughout the day, but so far so good. You guys, I did it. I finally did it. I got the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I've been wanting this ever since it came out, but it was always sold out of my shade everywhere. I got the shade 4 medium, because even though I'm not 4 medium right now, I will be in the summer. And yeah, I'm just gonna put this all over the high points of my face. I've been wanting this for so long, and I'm so glad I finally was able to get it. And yeah, I know it looks a little dark on me right now, but it shears out really well. Okay, so yeah, this is like really glowy, as you can probably tell, but it also has the tiniest bit of coverage, which is working with my skin really well. Like, I think I got the perfect match, and I'm not mad at that because this is pretty awesome. I didn't get anything new for foundation, so I'm just gonna hop off, do my foundation, and then come back and, you know, we'll finish this up. Okay, so foundation is on, and it's time to move on to concealer. For concealer, I got the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Again, I'm late to the party with this concealer, but I don't mind it because I'm gonna try it right now. I didn't need to before, now I kind of do. So yeah, we're gonna test it out. I got mine in the shade Almond, and again, I've heard really great things about this. Not crazy about a huge wand, but it's whatever. Let's try this out. It smells so bad. Is that like normal? Is that a normal thing? I don't know what the sun is doing currently. It's kind of messing with my video. I'm so sorry about that, but I applied just a little bit of this, and I can say I am really into it. I think it's really covered my dark circles well, and it doesn't feel heavy on my skin. So I think this concealer is gonna be good to me. Okay, so before I go in and powder my face, I have one cheek product. Can you believe it? Only one. This is the Giorgio Armani We're Going Fonse over here. The A Contour Professional Liquid Face Contour in 20. And this is a natural contour product. What can I say, guys? It looks like this, and I just heard good things about it, wanted to try it. That's about it. So I don't know how to go about this. The wand is kind of tiny, so should I just go straight into the face, or maybe apply it to my hand first? This is like really cool toned. Whoa. Wow. Damn. Okay, so this contour was a success. Just look at the difference on my face from this side to this side. I look freaking snatched, okay? And on this side, I look round. Holy crap, okay, I like this already. It's really light, it's really easy to blend. The whole idea for this product is that it's a natural contour, so, you know, it doesn't look like you're contouring, but you are, kinda. Okay, so total success of a product. I am, wow, I am obsessed already. I know I'm gonna be using this all the time because it's so easy. Why is it so expensive though? Unfortunately, it is, but yeah, I'm gonna just go do the rest of my face because I don't have any other face products, and then I'll be back shortly after these messages. Don't have any messages, just wanted to sound cool. Okay, so the only thing we've left to do is brows and lips. For brows, I got the Urban Decay Brow Blade. I've heard a lot of great things about this, and I think I've been really into like brow markers. I'm gonna try both sides and see what the hell. The only thing I don't like about this is obviously there's no spooling, but it's fine. It's fine. The like pencil side is really easy to just run through your brows. It's really pigmented and you don't need a lot of pressure to get pigment, so that's good. Until like the little marker side, I'm nervous for this. I feel like my brows are in two completely different worlds right now, but I really like this. I think, as I mentioned, the waterproof pencil is really easy to just glide on, and it's really pigmented, so you don't need a lot of pressure. And then the ink stain was a little harder for me because I'm not used to working with markers like this. It's also really pigmented, so you need the lightest of touches to be able to snatch your brow, which I like. And I also like that you can like dot it around your face for like little moles and freckles. Last but not least, for the lips, I got another product from Bloomingdale's. This is the Lime Crime Plushies Soft Focus Lip Veil. And I know that people have beef with Lime Crime because of shit that happened in the past, but they got control of the whole situation. Somebody else runs the company now, so I don't see a problem with it. So yeah, I got this in the shade Marmalade, and I just feel like it'll go really well with the eyes because it has kind of like orangey tones, you know what I'm saying? So let's try it out. Okay, so this product is definitely on the sheer side, which I just love a lot. It's looking a lot darker on camera because the lighting is so bad, but if I get closer, it just looks like blotted lips. It's really lightweight and it's kind of drying. It's setting down and it's not transferring much. So this could be a really, really good one. I'm gonna have to keep playing with it and see what's going on, but I really like it. Okay, so the lighting is a lot better over here. I just wanted to show you the face up close. So yeah, the eyes are really nice. The liner is fucked up. Don't call me out on that, please. I wish the mascara was a little bit more voluminous because I think this look calls for that, but other than that, I really love the mascara. I love everything about the eyes. The brows are looking really snatched. This brow is having a meltdown, but I'm really loving how this brow is looking. The skin, man, oh my god, the glow on my cheeks is real, and I really love how the concealer is looking. Like, I didn't apply enough to just cover everything on my face, but I think it's covering really well and it feels really nice. And I think the primer is feeling also really great. It hasn't, you know, interfered with my foundation or anything, so yeah, I really, really dig it. I think one of my favorite parts has definitely got to be the contour. It's super easy, it looks really natural, but it worked, right? It snatched my face, which is incredible. Also really loved the Laneige Peach Lip Glowy Balm. You know, it looks like a gloss, it has a little bit of a tint, but it doesn't do much other than hydrate your lips, which I really enjoyed. In the end, I just loved every product that I got. I am really good at picking products. Nice, eh? And that is a wrap on trying all the products that I picked out from the VIB sale, plus some extras. I'm really pleased with how the look turned out, and I really think every product was really good. I'll update you guys if something doesn't work out for me, and maybe someday you'll see these products on a favorites video, so who knows? Let me know what you picked out from the sale, or if there are any other new products that you're digging that you think I should try. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It gives me a lot of feedback, and let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see from me. If you've already done that, don't forget to subscribe. If you're into super real and easy makeup content, I do that every single week, and I would love to have you here. And of course, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Yeah, that's it for the shameless plug-in that I just did. Anyways, you guys, thank you all so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everybody. Mwah.